Is Steam downloading painfully slow even though your internet is fast? This isn't your Wi-Fi. It's a few hidden Steam settings almost nobody checks. Fix this once and your download speed can jump instantly. All right, let's do this properly. Open Steam, go to the top left corner, click Steam, then click Settings. From the left menu, click Downloads. Step 1. Change download region. Most important. At the top, you'll see Download Region. Steam automatically chooses one, but if that server is busy, your speed drops badly. Click Download Region and select a nearby location. If you're already on one, try switching to another close region. Once you select it, just close the settings window and restart Steam. Steam saves the change automatically. Step 2. Turn off download speed limit. Now, still in the Downloads section, look for Limit Download Speed. If this is turned on, toggle it off. A lot of people miss this, and it silently slows everything down. Step 3. Clear Steam download cache. Next, scroll down on the same page. Keep scrolling until you see Clear Download Cache. Click it. Steam will restart and ask you to sign in again. That's completely normal. And don't worry, this does not delete your games. It just refreshes Steam's download system. And that's it. After changing the download region, turning off the speed limit, and clearing the cache, Steam downloads are usually much faster. If this helped you, like the video, comment your new download speed, and subscribe for more simple but powerful Steam fixes.